To edit the map, click Edit to put the map in edit mode. Now it is ready for you to create additional hotspots. All of the pink highlighted areas are the current hotspots. So we are ready now to make another one. Let's do site 51. So I'm going to put my mouse where I want the hotspot first corner to be and hit the left mouse button. Now I'm going to move and hit the next one, and then I hit the final one, and now I've highlighted that area. Notice the box will pop up. It'll ask me to select the rental space. So I'll find site 51, rental space 51. So that's mapping it back into CampWorks that this is for rental space 51. Next I need to select the fill indicator. So this is the white area, and that is going to fill with the selected color. So we could type in coordinates, but that's hard to know exactly what the coordinates are, so the best way is to hit select. And now I'm going to put the mouse cursor somewhere in that white area, and I'm going to press my left button, and that has now filled in the coordinates. Now I can verify that, which I should do, and hit test fill, and you'll see that, yep, it filled that one correctly. And that's it. Now I can save it. So now I've saved that coordinates and that one is set up. You would need to, now it's ready for me to do the next one. I could do the same thing for this next rental space. Make sure you don't overlap, because then the clickable areas will be on top of each other. You also don't want big gaps either in between them. And I will select site 50. And select the fill indicator and test fill again just to make sure that's good, and then hit save. If your test fill fails, meaning the entire screen goes yellow, for example, that would indicate that you have a problem with your map file, your drawing file that has all of the circles on it. Some reason it's not completely filled in or something, and the yellow is essentially escaping this dot, and it's going into and flood filling the entire image. And there is a debug mode that you can use to find out which one is potentially a problem. And if I change dates, so it's going to go through, notice it's going through and it's filling each dot individually. And so you can see if suddenly the screen goes a complete fill color, then you know the last one that it was trying to fill is the one that's a problem. So in this case my screen is fine, it didn't do that, but that debug mode will help you to identify which particular rental space fill indicator is a problem, and then you can go back to your map file and correct that.